Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Pectora quorum inter fluctus arecta iubaeque sanguineae superant undas, pars cetera pontum pone lecit sinuatque minsa volumine terga. The chests of whom were raised up between the waves, and their bloody manes conquer the waves. The remaining part skims the sea from behind and winds their huge backs into a coil, into a fold. So we're talking about, this is a rather lengthy passage which has description of the snakes and their attack. So right here, Virgil is first describing the pectora and the eubae, which is the chest and the manes of the snakes. And then he goes on to describe pars cetera, the remaining part. So what comes behind the chest of the snakes would be, their slithery rest of their body, just the end of the snake. And so that part is trailing behind the sea and folds itself in a huge coil. But this part up here, the front of the snake, is raised up and ready to strike. And also you'll notice the sanguineae superant. We've got some S sounds like hissing. And we also got sinuat. So Virgil is really playing up the description of the snakes and making it clever. So they are coming for Laocoon the priest, and we will see what happens next.